I'm Lieutenant Bill Gottwald with the Hennepin County Sheriff's Office Water Patrol Unit. The boating season is upon us, so to keep your experience positive and safe, we have a few rules to follow to be a respectful boater. We still highly recommend taking a boating safety course to learn the official rules, regulations, and laws for boating in Hennepin County. The following is a boating etiquette developed by the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources. First, respect the ramp. Good boating etiquette starts before you enter the water. Prepare your boat and equipment before getting into the position to launch. Anything else is disrespectful to fellow boaters. Second, own your wake. The fastest way to make the wrong kinds of waves is to literally throw a big wave at another boat, swimmer, angler, or shoreline owner. This is much more than being a nuisance or disrupting others' experience on the water. It could be dangerous. Third, keep the music low. Sound is amplified over the water, so keep the music at a decent level. Not only is it a disturbance to others, but the operator may not be able to hear a spotter for a skier. Fourth, pack in, pack out. It may seem like common sense, but shorelines at times can still be lined with trash. Take care of the body of water that you love and dispose of any trash you have. Do not throw it overboard. Fifth, slow down. Make sure you're always following the speed limit or slow minimum wake restrictions. It's your responsibility to know them and respect them. Sixth, know the rules of the water. Become familiar with the waterway markers and navigation rules, which dictate how you operate your vessel in order to prevent a collision. Seventh, wear a life jacket. Make sure you know your state and local laws. Set a good example by always wearing a life jacket and have enough life jackets for each person on board, and make sure they all fit. Eighth, fuel and go. At the fuel dock, get your fuel, pay your bill, and move out of the way. If you need to buy additional supplies, relocate. Don't forget, always run your blower fan before starting an inboard motor. Most fires are started from failing to turn on the blower before starting an engine. Ninth, respect the no-wake zone. Enter an anchorage or a mooring area at a slow speed. Don't create a wake that will disrupt other anchored boats. And 10th, be polite. Give a wave. When passing another boat, give a little wave hello. Boating is all about having fun and being part of the boating community. Embrace it, enjoy it, and share it for generations to come. By following these rules, we think you'll have a safe and enjoyable time. See you out there.